Deep in the lands of Zarad, the humans of Koopa Keep struggle to stay alive as they are attacked by the wicked drow elves of Larnia. Darkness falls as the humans beg their king to save them, a noble king known only as the Grand Wizard. For 1,000 years the battle has been waged, with only the bravery of the Grand Wizard to protect his human followers. But even though the Wizard King is so undeniably cool, the drow elf armies continue their attacks. They seek the humans' most treasured relic, the Stick of Truth. But the tides of war soon to change, as news of a new kid spreads throughout the land. In order to save the humans, the Grand Wizard must get to the new kid, before the drow elves can manipulate his mind, and use him to take the sacred relic from human hands. For whomever controls the stick, controls the universe.
I think that's everything.
We did it, hun. We're really moved in.
It's a new beginning for us. Things are finally going to be good.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
They won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Sweetie? Hun, you all dressed?
Hey, champ! How do you like your new room? I know it's a big change for all of us, but, son, do you remember why we moved to this quiet little mountain town? He doesn't remember.
He doesn't remember at all.
That's good he doesn't remember.
Sweetie, we want you to have lots of fun here. Why don't you go out and make some friends?
Right, get outside and play, son, like normal kids.
We've got some money for you on the kitchen counter, sweetie. Just be back before it gets dark.
Yeah, we love you too. Come on, son, get up. You're really gonna go outside with that hair?
You shall die by my warhammer, drow elf! I banish thee to the forest realm! That way, I banish you first! Ha-ha! You can't hold out much longer! Help! Somebody! I can't hold up!
Hey, no fair! That's cheating! I'm gonna tell my mom!
Thanks, kid. I didn't realize he had a health potion. My name is Butters the Merciful. I'm a paladin. I live right next door to you. We should be friends. speak with the Wizard King. He's been talking about your arrival. The wizard lives this way, in the greenhouse, over there. Hey, where are you from? Where'd you live before moving here? All hail the Grand Wizard!
So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Shut up, Mom. Not now. Don't talk to her. She's not part of the game. Don't talk to her. She's not part of the game. Don't talk to her. She's not part of the game. Don't talk to her. She's not part of the game. Don't talk to her. She's not part of the game. Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep. Ah, yes, the pool of vision. Beautiful, isn't it? Do not disturb the sacred waters. You're messing with powers you don't understand. Mom, the new kid keeps trying to pop the pool of vision. Mom, the new kid keeps trying to pop the pool of vision.
My loyalty is as incurable as my diabetes.
You may have heard of my deeds at the Battle of Stark's Pod. The Wizard Stump. Perhaps one day Some say he who discovers the secret of the Wizard Stump is the master. The Wizard Stump. Perhaps one day I will show you. Ah, you have located the training area where our massive army learns to fight.
As Court Paladin, my job is to deliver the Wizard King's justice. As Court Paladin...
You have been sought out, new kid, because humans everywhere are in great danger. You entered Douchebag. Are you? Very well, Douchebag. You will now choose a class. Fighter, Mage, Thief, or Jew. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. You look sneaky enough to be a thief. Jew, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking... A mage is like a wizard. You look sneaky enough to... A Jew from New Jersey. So you're basically Kyle's mom. Cool. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. We welcome to our kingdom, Douchebag the Mage.
Hooray!
Now please, go and visit the weapon shop. Procure yourself a weapon and we shall teach you to fight. Would you like to see my wares, weary? Perhaps you would like to hear tips and rumors for $2? Don't waste your money on tips and rumors. Would you like to see my wares, weary traveler? Ah, a lovely purchase. Good, now how about you equip your weapon? Don't let it... Ah, you have procured a weapon. Nice. I'm gonna kick your ass. Clyde, you have to wait your turn. That's lame. No, Clyde, it's like olden times. You have to wait your turn. Like in the Middle Ages, Clyde. I know it's lame, Clyde, but that's how we're fucking... I dodged that. Oh, hell yeah, Clyde's your bitch. Alright, Clyde's wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can. Oh shit, dude, I think I see blood! Fucking nice, bro. It's exactly what you do to guys with armor like that. Okay, listen up. The key to surviving in battle is not to get hit in the bows. Clyde, it's your turn to attack. Douchebag, protect your bows. Prepare yourself. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about! Dude, you're already way better than Clyde. Alright, it's time to use your heroic powers. Using your ability, take Douchebag, use your mage ability to make Clyde pay for insulting the king. Ah! Didn't count. Way to wipe that smile off his stupid face, Douchebag. Now do it one more time. Finish him. What? I was going easy. Take this. This is unblockable. Ah! on, fight! Dude, that was awesome! You were all like, beam, and Cloud was all like, nah, nah. Okay, you prove yourself worthy, douchebag. Now come inside the war tent and I shall let you see the relic.